How do I use a tire pressure gauge? Have you ever wondered how to check your tire pressure? It's a simple skill that can make a big difference in your driving experience. Knowing how to use a tire pressure gauge is essential for teenagers who are learning about car ownership and maintenance. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to find the recommended tire pressure for your vehicle. This information is usually located on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. The pressure is measured in pounds per square inch, often abbreviated as SI. Next, you will need a tire pressure gauge. There are two main types, analog and digital. Analog gauges have a dial or stick, while digital gauges display the pressure on a screen. Digital gauges are generally easier to read, so consider using one if you have the option. Once you have your gauge ready, it's time to check the tires. Start by removing the valve cap from the tire you want to check. Each tire has a valve stem with a small cap. Unscrew this cap and keep it safe so you do not lose it. Now, take your tire pressure gauge and press the open end firmly onto the valve stem. Make sure to create a tight seal to prevent any air from escaping. Hold it there for a second or two to get an accurate reading. After that, read the pressure displayed on the gauge. If you are using an analog gauge, a small stick or dial will pop out or move to indicate the SI. If you are using a digital gauge, the number will appear on the screen. Now compare the reading with the recommended SI. If the tire pressure is too low, you will need to add air. If it is too high, you should release some air. To add air, you can use an air compressor at a gas station or a portable air pump. If you need to release air, some gauges have a small button or nub that allows you to let air out slowly. After adjusting the pressure, make sure to check it again to confirm it is at the correct level. Finally, do not forget to replace the valve cap. This helps keep dirt and moisture out of the valve stem, which is important for maintaining tire health. So, why is this important for teenagers? Keeping your tires at the right pressure helps your car use fuel more efficiently. This means you will save money on gas. Proper tire pressure also improves how your car handles and brakes, making driving safer. Underinflated tires wear out faster and can cause your car to use more fuel. On the other hand, overinflated tires can be uncomfortable and may burst at high speeds. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before any long trips. This small step can greatly improve your car's performance and your safety on the road.